Hi everyone, do you know fuzzy finder commands? You can interactively filter through any kind of list input. So let me show you how I'm using it. So for example, let's search through the history and search for the project one I was recently working on. There you can see the recent commands that I've used. I can select it. If I search again, you can also provide multiple different fragments that you're searching for. Another way you can use it is to search through the Git log, for example. So here I'm in the repository and I would like to see any changes regarding Z or Nix and so on. And whatever you find, you can select with return. You can also use it to search through any kind of logs. So let me show you. Here I have some log and I can easily search through it by passing the output to FZF. And I can do that like interactively. So whatever I'm searching for, I don't even know. Let's type something. And here I found the output and I can select it. Yeah, so the great thing is you can redirect any kind of output to fuzzy finders and interactively search them. That's it. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. I'll share the link down in the comments.